Now, this, you take it as you want, and if you think it's rude, I'm sorry, but this is how it is. We both fancied this bird, my mate and me. Her breast was so firm, her thighs were quite sturdy to see. We squabbled a lot, but who would she choose, my mate or me? Friends we had been for such a long time. This bird, she liked him, she liked me. She liked to be cuddled. She liked to be stroked. Quite often she sat on his knee. When he wasn't there, I sat on his chair. Then she were cuddled by me. We were quite young when we had this affair, so we left her alone just to see. Who would she choose, him or me? My mate and his mother asked me to tea. We'd been friends for such a long time. His mother just loved us. She made us our tea. With the bird that we loved, with the breasts that were firm, the thighs were quite sturdy of late. Our tea on a plate, it was getting so late. The breast was quite nice. So we shared the last slice. But the thighs were just left on the plate.
You get too excited.